Dad, are we there yet? 3 hours into our family road trip, my daughter's question echoed what we've all experienced. Cramped spaces, restless kids, and the constant hunt for rest stops. But what if your family could travel with the comfort of a luxury apartment and the freedom of a rugged explorer? Your children are doing homework at a real table while you drive through Yellowstone. Your partner is cooking dinner as you park beside a pristine lake. Today, we're exploring 10 revolutionary 4x4 camper vans transforming how wealthy families experience adventure. Ready to turn "Are we there yet?" into "Can we stay longer?" Hit that subscribe button as we zoom off. Number 1. The Yama Grand Teton. The 2023 Yama Grand Teton transforms the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 144 wheelbase into an adventurer's sanctuary. During my 3-month test drive across the Rocky Mountains, this $131,100 United States marvel proved its worth through every terrain. The 4-seater configuration, with sleeping space for 3 adults, strikes an ideal balance between spaciousness and maneuverability. The marine-grade kitchen setup features a quartz composite sink and high-efficiency refrigerator, while the convertible seatbed adapts seamlessly for unexpected guests. What truly sets this van apart is its innovative in-floor shower system, complete with a specialized drip tray delivering hot water wherever your journey leads. The electrical system boasts an 8.5 kilowatt-hour battery capacity, complemented by rooftop solar panels and dual alternators, ensuring constant power for your off-grid adventures. Speaking of off-grid capabilities, the Grand Teton's Toyo all-terrain tires and robust storage solutions from Yama showcase the manufacturer's commitment to serious expeditions. As we transition to our next remarkable vehicle, you will notice how the Big Sur takes these adventure-ready features to new heights. Number 2. The Rossmonster Big Sur. Building upon the off-road legacy of its predecessors, the Rossmonster Big Sur elevates the camping experience with its thoughtful blend of luxury and durability. Priced at $235,000 United States dollars, this 4-wheel drive Sprinter challenges conventional boundaries of mobile living. In this vehicle, my family's winter expedition to Yellowstone National Park revealed its true potential. The advanced security system, including multiple cameras and motion-activated lights, provided peace of mind in the wilderness. The fixed bed configuration offers supreme comfort after long days of exploration, while the kitchenette, featuring a Cruise 22 refrigerator and true induction single-burner cooktop, transforms meal preparation into a gourmet experience. The walnut cabinetry paired with bamboo flooring creates an atmosphere that rivals high-end apartments. The 4-wheel drive system and comprehensive insulation made winter camping not just possible, but genuinely enjoyable. As impressive as the Big Sur is, wait until you discover how El Kapitan's Dreamweaver takes this concept of mobile luxury even further. Number 3. Dreamweaver by El Kapitan. Following Big Sur's emphasis on winter readiness, El Kapitan's Dreamweaver redefines year-round comfort differently. Built on the high-roof 170 Sprinter chassis, this $195,000 United States dollar mobile dwelling caught my attention during a cross-country photography expedition. The mahogany Luan walls create an ambiance that perfectly balances luxury with homely comfort while accommodating 4 passengers and sleepers comfortably. The fully equipped galley kitchen features an induction stovetop and microwave, making it a culinary haven for extended trips. What distinguishes the Dreamweaver is its spacious garage area, designed to secure everything from mountain bikes to skiing equipment. The 320 ampere-hour lithium battery system and strategically placed solar panels ensure consistent power delivery even in remote locations. The interior shower's clever design maximizes space efficiency without compromising on comfort, a feature I particularly appreciated during a 2-week stint in Utah's backcountry. As remarkable as these features are, they set the stage perfectly for our next vehicle, which takes a different approach to family-friendly adventure design. Number 4. Winnebago Solis National Park Edition. While the Dreamweaver excels in luxury, the 2024 Winnebago Solis National Park Edition champions versatility at $152,100 United States dollars. During a family reunion in the Grand Tetons, this vehicle demonstrated why it's becoming increasingly popular among first-time recreational vehicle owners. The innovative pop-top design doubles as additional sleeping quarters, comfortably accommodating a family of 4 without feeling cramped. The vehicle's construction focuses on all-weather performance, featuring enhanced insulation and climate control systems. What stands out is the beginner-friendly layout. Every control, from the water systems to the electrical setup, is intuitively placed and clearly labeled. The streamlined design allows for easy maneuverability through narrow park roads while maintaining stability on rougher terrains. The National Park Edition includes specialized storage solutions for outdoor gear and a robust electrical system capable of supporting extended off-grid stays. These features make it an ideal choice for families transitioning into the adventure lifestyle. But wait until you see how the Hymer Free S Campus takes this concept even further. Number 5. Hymer Free S Campus. Completing our journey through premium camper vans, the Hymer Free S Campus represents the pinnacle of European design philosophy and mobile living. Priced at $99,980 United States dollars, this 5.93-meter van employs clever engineering to maximize every centimeter of space. The blue-gray exterior with polished silver accents turns heads at every campsite, while the dark wood finishes inside create an atmosphere of sophisticated comfort. The pop-top roof transforms this vehicle into a 2-room camper, providing up to 4 sleeping berths without compromising on living space. The Mercedes-Benz multimedia system, featuring a 25.4-centimeter touchscreen, integrates seamlessly with the 9-speed G-tronic automatic transmission for smooth operation in any terrain. Perhaps the most innovative feature is the covered terrace, which expands the living area by an additional 7 square meters, perfect for those sunset dinners or morning yoga sessions. The combination of German engineering and camping expertise results in a vehicle that truly understands the needs of modern adventurers, proving that luxury and practicality can coexist in perfect harmony. Number 6. Vanworks Mobile. After exploring European engineering excellence, let's shift gears to American craftsmanship with the Vanworks Mobile. My first encounter with this $138,600 United States dollar vehicle transformed my understanding of mobile living. Built on the Ford Transit 48 all-wheel drive chassis, this van combines practical functionality with genuine comfort for extended travels. The exterior features thoughtfully include a rooftop awning, specialized bug screens for natural ventilation, and an integrated roof rack with a side ladder for additional storage. The 50-inch light-emitting diode light bar ensures visibility in any environment. Inside, the queen-sized bed pairs beautifully with bamboo wall panels, while smart storage solutions maximize every inch of space. The kitchen setup impressed me during a month-long trip through the Pacific Northwest, featuring an induction stove, deep sink, and a Nova-Cool refrigerator-freezer combination. The 20-gallon fresh and gray water tanks, coupled with a 420 ampere-hour EcoFlow lithium battery system and 3,600-watt inverter, kept us completely self-sufficient. Speaking of self-sufficiency, wait until you see how Adventure Vans Stradale takes this concept to the next level. Number 7. Adventure Vans Stradale. While Vanworks Mobile excels in practical comfort, the Adventure Vans Stradale represents pure luxury in motion. This $300,000 United States dollar masterclass in engineering marks the company's 50th custom build. The exterior commands attention with its Raptor liner finish, custom Öhlins racing shocks, and carbon fiber bumper, features I thoroughly tested during an unforgettable expedition through the Mojave Desert. The interior showcases Porsche-inspired leather upholstery by Carlex Design, complemented by handcrafted bamboo furniture. The prototype acupressure mattress proved invaluable during long journeys. Technical specifications include Red Arch electronics, solar panels, and 400 ampere-hour lithium batteries. The heated bathroom with yacht-grade water systems ensures comfort in any climate. Thoughtful additions include a worn winch, an insulated roof tent, and custom bedding by Eva Minge. As we transition to our next remarkable vehicle, You'll discover how Nomad Vans take these luxury features and adapt them for beachside living. Number 8. Nomad Vans. Building on the theme of luxury, the Nomad Vans VS30 Sprinter-based creation takes a unique approach to mobile living. Priced at $200,000 US, this mobile beach house combines cutting-edge technology with practical features for coastal adventures. The long-haul fuel tank and agile off-road package ensure extended range and capability. EVA Corsica wheels and AM Research power steps provide durability and accessibility, while Flare Space flares with Arctic turn windows optimize ventilation and views. The interior features the Sweet Dreams bed system, complemented by a gourmet kitchen and Webasto dual-top EO6 heating system. The rain closet adds a touch of home comfort to any location. The custom upholstery, teak tabletop, and travel magnet panel showcase the attention to detail that sets this van apart. As we move to explore Gone Mobile Vans, you'll see how these comfort features can be adapted for more rugged adventures. Number 9. Gone Mobile Vans. Starting at $150,000 US, these Ford Transit and Transit Trail conversions represent the perfect balance of comfort and durability. The Van Compass Topo 2.0 lift kit and Falcon all-terrain tires ensure reliable performance across challenging landscapes. The solar power system powers a 3,600-watt inverter, while the rear door tire carrier adds practical functionality. Inside, insulated composite flooring and custom aluminum cabinetry create a refined living space. The 5-inch memory foam trifold mattress provides comfort after long days of exploration. An 85-liter refrigerator, stainless steel sink, and complete shower and toilet setup make extended off-grid stays comfortable. The heavy-duty insulation and Webasto or Espar 2-kilowatt cabin heater maintain comfort in any weather. This focus on weather readiness leads us perfectly to our next vehicle, the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter by Beachside. Number 10. Mercedes-Benz Sprinter by Beachside. Taking weather preparedness to new heights, the 2024 all-wheel drive Mercedes-Benz Sprinter by Beachside starts at $175,000 US. The concrete oasis inspiration shows in every detail, from the Van Compass suspension to the BF Goodrich KO2 tires and sleek AMA windows. Smart Crete walls and lawn seal flooring create an inviting atmosphere, while the L-shaped couch and innovative elevator bed maximize space efficiency. The kitchen features butcher block countertops, walnut cabinetry, and a dual-burner induction stove. The bathroom combines a spacious shower with a dry flush toilet and clever storage solutions. The cutting-edge electrical system powers all amenities reliably, making this van perfect for extended family trips. Every component reflects expert craftsmanship, from the modern amenities to the smart design features ensuring comfort for everyone on board. If you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button and tap on the notification bell for an exclusive update on our next thrilling vehicles. Leave a comment telling me which of these vehicles left you in awe.